Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Chachana Creations. And today we are going to unbox a scale model of Volkswagen Beetle Type 1, and it's also named as Volkswagen Bug and Volkswagen Super Beetle. And this is the scale model of Volkswagen Beetle 1:32 scale ratio. And this is the metal body car and interior original designed by Volkswagen, officially licensed product. Come on, let's explore the scale model now. Let's we talk about the engine capacity 1100cc to 1600cc, and it comes in a petrol variant with 4-cylinder and 4-speed transmission. Most important thing in the engine part, it's a rear wheel drive. Thanks for watching this video, and please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation.